guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can reframe your clips in CapCut PC. So for instance, I want this video to be a 1:1 frame ratio. This is a pro feature, by the way, so keep that in mind. Select auto reframe. Go to reframe and select the ratio that you want. I'm going to select the 1:1 ratio, and it's going to track the object to be always kind of in the middle. You can select a more stable image stabilization and a slower camera moving speed because that one is super slow. Then you're going to select apply, and that's how you can auto reframe your videos in CapCut PC. Well, I mean, that isn't super slow, but that's how you can do it anyway. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!